What is going on, you guys? How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. So today I don't really have anything special for today's video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the status of my car. So as of right now, the car is still down. It's still broken, still having those same issues that I was experiencing in the last video. If you haven't seen the last video already, be sure to check it out because I could really use as much advice as I could get on whatever the issue is for my car. I believe I've pinpointed the issue down to a faulty crankshaft positioning sensor on the N54 motor. And so as of now, I'm still waiting on that part to come in through FCP Euro. A lot of you guys, I was reading a ton of the comments in the last video, and a lot of you guys were saying it's like an issue with the alternator, an issue with the battery. So I haven't gone in yet and really checked any of like the fuses or the battery or anything, but I do know back when I first purchased this car about like a year and like 4 months ago or so, right when the car had been sold, a new battery was installed. So the battery is relatively new, I'd say. And so I don't think it would be an issue with the battery or anything, potentially an issue with the alternator. But the thing is, like I said, when I pulled the codes, I found the 2A94, which was for the crankshaft positioning sensor, as well as a low boost code and a transmission malfunction code as well. And all of these seem to be due to the crankshaft positioning sensor. I was reading on the forums. I watched a video actually where a guy literally had almost like identical, symptoms to what my car is having. So, I mean, right now it really sucks. I'm still kind of in the dark as to what it is. I mean, I'm fingers crossed it's the sensor because it'll be a really easy fix and it'll be relatively cheap. But as soon as the sensor comes in, it's supposed to come in tomorrow at the time of this video. So, I mean, right when it comes in, obviously, I'm going to install it. I'm going to test the car. I'm going to make a whole video on that for you guys and definitely let you guys know if that fixes it. Fingers crossed, I'm really praying it does. But if you guys could comment down below what you think it may be, any suggestions, I'm really hoping it's that sensor. Like I said, DSC malfunctions, transmission malfunctions, engine malfunctions, pretty much all the stuff that I'm getting. So I actually haven't driven the car for a week, and it's killing me because the car's just been sitting here and I hate not being able to drive my car. Or just to drive in general because it's so much fun. It's always a blast to drive, and my school semester is actually starting up really soon, so I need my car within the next few days at the very least. So really praying that this crankshaft positioning sensor issue, whatever, resolves all the problems that I'm facing right now. But that's just an update on my car, you guys. As soon as I get the new part in from FCP Euro, I will be making a DIY video on the install, as well as if it fixes everything, letting you guys know, of course, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned, you guys. I have a lot of stuff coming for the channel. Unfortunately, this is a pretty unfortunate hiccup that I have to deal with, and it really sucks, but it's part of the N54 life. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support and the help in the last video, you guys. It really does mean a lot to me. So thank you so much once again, and stay tuned. I'll catch you all in the next one. Later, guys.